Futures and options on futures trading involve substantial risk and is not a suitable investment for all types of investors. Past results are not necessarily indicative of future results. When I use the word I in this video, it refers to what I teach in my charting course or what I author in my twice daily oral and written updates. Prices shown on charts and quote boards are in real time and take into account all known activity up to this point in time. And if you'd like to read more of this disclaimer, simply hit the pause key on your video player. Good morning. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Monday, the 27th of August, 2018, about 9:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Sorry, got busy. We heard that NAFTA deal's being done between Mexico and the U.S. Wanted to see the Dallas Fed numbers come out. There's a lot going on with stock markets making new all-time highs. You can see up here as to where you're at on it. Metals have come alive. The dollar continues its drop, and that's very important as we're seeing a number of markets rise. And you can see the euro still picking up a head of steam here as even with Italy threatening that they're not going to give 20 billion euro a year to Europe, to the EU, if you will, if the EU doesn't step in and do something about the immigrants hitting the Italian borders. And that's going to get nastier. That's not just words. If you understand how the Five-Star Party came into power, what they're all about, this is not an idle threat. So be careful with that. It appears that the U.S. and Mexico have reached a preliminary deal on NAFTA. Now Mexico and the U.S. will invite Canada to join in. Who knows where that part will go. Chicago Fed National Activity Index came in 0.13 the prior month. It was revised to 0.48 from 0.43. And if you come down to the bottom here, you see the Fed Business Activity Index in Dallas fell back to 30.9 versus July's 32.3. Germany's IFO business climate, 103.8, better than the expectation of 101.9. That's why the euro's getting some strength. And today we're going to get details of the farm aid package from President Trump. It's supposed to be about $7.5 billion that's given to the farmers because of lost markets via the trade wars. You can see the grains dropped early. Beans have since come back. I don't know if word's leaking as to what that is or isn't, but overall, beans should get the majority of the package, with cotton and other markets getting parts of it via the loss. But the news of the day is going to all be right here in the stock indices, which will grab the headlines from everybody. And of course, as the dollar drops, a number of markets will get some bids, including some of them coming in right now to the energies. The market's got to be a little careful of is the nat gas. We have another heat wave going on right now, but the market has anticipated some of that. And now the market, after this ends, as you understand, we get into September, wheat, the grain starts, the demand for the market, I'm still in the grain sector, the demand for the nat gas falls. We get into that funny time of the year where weather actually gets pretty mild. You don't need heat or air that quick. I want to remind you about our charts of the day. These are going to be important. As we come out of this funny time of the year, which is the end of August, where so many people are on vacation, the kids start going back to register for school, everything's in a transition phase. Well, the markets are too. And as they come out of this period where the European traders come back to the markets and we start getting news like you're hearing about NAFTA, there's going to be trade setups and you might want to take a hard look at them. We send them out each day. Free subscription. In order to get on it, all you need to do is give us a call, 866-973-2077. You can go to our website at www.iraepstein.com. That will take care of it as well. And you can click up here on our, if you will, YouTube channel. And that'll take you, if you're watching us on YouTube, just click on that link. It'll take you right to our page. Sorry for the screw-ups this morning, but a lot going on and my head's not into it just yet. You have a good day. I'll speak to you later.